You want to start the best YouTube channel in your industry. Well, today we're going to go over exactly what you need to add to that channel to make sure that you get maximum reach from the start. Meaning, at the very beginning, all of your ideal clients' eyes on your videos. It really only takes three things. One, starting the channel to begin with. Two, a captivating header. And three, a description that gets them to find your channel in the first place. And we're going to go over all of that today. Now, if you've never started a channel before, or you feel like you're not really tech savvy and you're a little nervous about what to do, don't worry. I'm going to walk you step by step through everything you need to make sure that your channel gets maximum reach in front of your ideal audience. Don't forget, this is all part of the Start a Successful YouTube Channel Challenge, which goes through mid-February. So make sure to come back here each week so you can keep up leveling your YouTube channel success. Let's get into it. Okay, so you're gonna wanna start by going to youtube.com. And if you already have a Gmail or Google account, you can sign in, but we're gonna act as if we don't. You still wanna click sign in and then go to create account. And then it's gonna ask you personal, work, or business. Work or business, this gives you your name at yourcompany.com or a Google workspace. That is good for running a business, but you don't need any of that. You could just do the standard create account for my personal use. Now I'm gonna type in my name to make this account. Don't steal my name, put your name here. And then it's gonna ask you for your birthday. My birthday's in February. I'm gonna lie about the rest. Ooh, look at me, I'm only 24. Moving on, and now you want to get a Gmail address. You could use your own address if you want, but I don't know. I guess you could use your existing one as well, but I'm gonna create my own. So I'm gonna type, obviously Sierra Vindel is already taken. So I'm gonna do Sierra Vindel Rocks at gmail.com. Obviously, this is just for fun. Don't ever email me there. I will never answer it. Then you wanna make a password. It has to be 8 characters at least. You repeat it. Did I remember the same one? Let's see. I did. Get a verification sent to your phone number. I'm going to edit this part out because I'm sorry. I don't want you to know my phone number, but type your phone number here to get your code. Hit next. And then Gmail is going to send you a text to verify. The G dash is already there. I'm just going to type in 515251 next and add a recovery. I'm going to skip this for now, but this would be smart to add your secondary email if you want. So like I said, you can use your email account, but I keep it separate because then I can just track whatever's going on in YouTube separately. I like having my emails all separated out. This is totally up to you. You get to pick. All right. Now I'm all set up. Sierra Vindel Rocks at gmail.com, baby. Let's go. Now it's going to give you the privacy and terms. You want to go through. You can read all of them. Look at all the options. Here, it has some pre-saved options that you can actually switch, where if you don't want it to share your web activity, if you don't want personalized ads, and if you don't want it to save your YouTube history. I always use my YouTube history, so I definitely want that saved. And I prefer personalized ads. I guess you don't have to save my web activity, but then it's not as personalized, so I'm going to keep it. And then you can also click to send occasional reminders so you know to change those settings. Now we should have an account. And we're in. Woohoo, there's my little C there. Now you have all of this. You can go through and watch stuff, but we are creating, people. We are not watching, right? So let's create. But before we create, we do want to edit some of our things like this. We need a picture and not one of these standard pictures that they just plugged in there. We want a real, legit picture. So I am going to upload it. Oh, look, I'm already in my headshots. We'll put this one in there. Perfect. Ah, look at that. That is me. Woohoo! It loves it. And I definitely don't want my handle to be Sierra Vindel at VHA. That seems terrible. So I'm going to make it customized to my business. Light up movement. But I also don't want to take that because that's really mine, Sierra B. So that is what my handle's going to be. I'm going to create my channel. Your channel is being created. Check back in a few minutes. Okay. All right, it's ready. Welcome to the YouTube studio. We're going to continue. So this is where you'll upload your videos, and it's really as simple as just uploading whatever video content that you have. But I'm not going to do that right now. I am going to update my channel because it's not just about what you upload, it's about what people are going to see when they see you. So you're going to hit your little profile button over here, click your channel, and now you want to customize your channel. The banner image is essential. I'm going to show you my banner on my actual YouTube channel, which you're on right now. So you can see it says, love your life, grow your business, in that order. That is my banner. That is what everybody sees when they come to check out my channel. And I created that by Googling a YouTube banner template. So this was simple. Like, I just found this from Googling it. YouTube banner template. Images. And look, all of these images are right here, and that gives you a framework with which to create your banner. I make mine in Canva, and the idea is that everything in this area will absolutely be seen, no matter if you're on mobile or desktop or smart TV. So as you see here, this is what the banner looks like. If they're on a smart TV, it's this. If they're on desktop, it's this. If they're on mobile, it's this. And no matter what, this section here is what is going to be seen. So as you can see in mine, I have this giant image for the smart TV, but this little baby section for mobile and desktop. And you'll see this is what the desktop looks like, and this is what the mobile looks like. What I did to create this was I uploaded this image into Canva. And the way you do that is File, Upload Files, and then you upload that image and it'll populate a design just like this in this exact size. Once you upload it, then you can just add a page and start designing. The way that I tested mine out was after I designed it, I copied and I pasted it right here. And then you can make this transparent so you can see where everything lands. So see, I can see that this all is going to be in view and my logo is totally safe. And I could make my logo hit the top and bottom, but I wanted to have a little bit of that background image. So that's why I made mine the size that I made mine. You can also do like a strip like this, grow your business faster in one strip. If you want to test it again, that's what this would look like. Paste that there, make it transparent, and you can see what it would look like across all devices. Now, once you have your banner created, you're going to come here and you're going to upload it. And as you can see, I had to mess with it. Like, look, I made this 4 different times before I actually made it go in. And I finally liked the 4th version. It fit the best, the thing I liked the most. So I add that in. And here you can change your name. Here you can adjust your handle. You can add pronouns. And you definitely want to add a description about yourself. It doesn't have to be long, and if you have trouble thinking of it, you can ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube description for you, give them an idea of what your business is, and you can write it. So actually, let's just go ahead and do that. ChatGPT, baby, let's go. I am starting a YouTube channel to help women entrepreneurs. Oh, that's the hardest word to spell. Anyone else? Anyone else struggling with that? Enjoy their lives first and grow their businesses as a result. Can you write a keyword-rich description? Now, the reason we're doing this is because keyword rich, this makes it searchable. So when people are searching for something, they're going to be more like, if they're searching for female entrepreneurs, how to grow a business, ChatGPT knows what people are searching for. And so they will add keywords into your description, which will help you. I'm talking with my hands. You can't see me. I think that's funny. Anyway, can you write a keyword rich description? No more than 5 sentences that will capture my audience and get them to keep watching. Make it friendly and confident. Okay. And you can totally steal this prompt. I have a chat GPT prompt to help you actually find out exactly how your ideal audience thinks. So I would just go and type this into my chat GPT that already knows my audience. But this will also work for now. If you want that chat GPT prompt, I'll put a link below and you can find it there. But for now, let's do this. Let's see what it comes up with. Welcome to the channel designed specifically for women entrepreneurs who want to thrive in both business and life. So you can go through and edit this. Sometimes it's super cheesy and I totally edit it. Other times I'm like, I'm in a hurry, I'm on the go. For the description, I would definitely edit it to make it personal because this one's gonna last forever. When I write descriptions for my YouTube videos themselves, I don't put as much thought into it because nobody's really reading the descriptions. And then here's your URL. You can copy and paste this to share your channel. You can add a link. So here you can put your website if you want. If you want them to have contact info with you, you can add your email address. And if you want a watermark to appear in your videos, you can add it there. And none of this is saved yet, so you want to make sure to hit publish. All right, it's published. Now you can check out your channel. Boom, look at that. So now your channel is all set up and all you have to do is get to creating. Now that you know how to make a YouTube channel, you want to make absolutely sure that YouTube is the right platform for you. Otherwise, you're going to waste a lot of time and blood, sweat, and tears only to find out that you should have started on a different platform to begin with. Well, don't worry. If you want to figure out exactly whether or not YouTube is the right platform for you, you can figure it out in this video here.